Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, rear-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, brake assist. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.